What? The world, it's not a plan. Hey, a franchise, the choosing one. The 10th star general. You don't know when I come for represent, you know a full effect thing. You know it go already? When me load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them, you know a loud explosion boy. Watch me now man, a the people's champion. Hear me? A Gaza favorite. Hear me now man? A the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Hear me now man? Hey, right about now you know. Our jahmiel with him accept defeat because I not hear nothing drop from morning me and search the net. So I'm accept defeat. You want me clean up some things because you don't know 10 star deal with shit. And a lollipop thing when time me I drop necessary equipment. Yo, let me tell you something, you know. You know no more MVP in my brethren. I want you to know that, you know. You see what I deal with? Because alkaline and them not deal, you know. I just jahmiel and my father deal, you know. And if you no look good out of I want to see that, you know. You know, say alkaline or G-God and none of them no post nothing about the war with jahmiel. Eh? You don't see that? You no blind? Yo, and jahmiel, you know, if you have plan enough to come drop a song, you know, today, you know, make sure you clear up the soldier man, you know, because I hear enough man a chat and some man I run with it, but true, me just easy and I hold it and I watch it, you know. Make sure you come tell the people them say you soldier cousin where you live within America, you know. You see what I deal with? Because know you go around it and you know, clean it up. And people there, they chat shit and I go like them a clown. So make sure you come tell the people them. So me don't know if a soldier cousin stay a certain way, why you can't tell the people them say, are your cousin. You see what I deal with? And on a lollipop thing, when you know 10 star when them represent a full effect thing I deal with. Me not deal with gimmicks, nor joke thing. And my channel is not about hype. You hear that? A real thing I deal with over here. So if you not real, you don't come over here. You hear me? Because 10 star way, I roll Gaza way, there ain't no other way. You hear that? And right now, you know, I see my two Vibes Cartel and make them know, say, look, a man did come sing about #2 sell, you know. And watch what happened to him son. Him come out and say him nah say nothing, you know. Let me tell you something, you don't have to say nothing over there. Everybody not have sense to themselves and see what I go on. And a wicked thing the look of you to go through. You see what I deal with? And I don't know, say the boy them offer you and Vibes Cartel. Nobody not go tell me nothing. Me know that personally. Say them offer you and Vibes Cartel. You see what I deal with? Me been know that. And I know you not go take no check. And the right thing you do now watch what people say. Because them are going to put you away. What? And the general, you know, the 10 star one. I represent a full effect. You don't